secrets in the sky's display. I cast my line in the hopes I may catch a dream or two in your sweet array. With every ripple I feel a thrill of moments waiting, serene and still. Your laughter echoes a soft gentle trill. In this calm quiet place my heart does fill. Hooked on you like a fish on a line. In the waters of your eyes I'm doing fine. Every glance a treasure I find. Reeling in love and leaving worries behind. Morning comes with a silver haze. Your smile's the sunlight setting my heart ablaze. Casting our wishes in a lover's days. Forever fishing in your endless gaze. Oh, the sea of life can be so vast, but with you I find my anchor at last. Moments together, our spell is cast. In your tender presence I'm held fast. Hooked on you like a fish on a line. In the waters of your eyes I'm doing fine. Every glance a treasure I find. Reeling in love and leaving worries behind. Morning comes with a silver haze. Your smile's the sunlight setting my heart ablaze. Casting our wishes in a lover's days. Forever fishing in your endless gaze. Oh, the sea of life can be so vast, but with you I find my anchor at last. Moments together, our spell is cast. In your tender presence I'm held fast.